Everyone ends with that treasure home. So yeah, you see the sewing machine there and everything. Well, I'm gonna get ready to show y'all something I sewed together. So I just measured it. It's 55.5 inches across and 70 inches up and down. So here is the quilt blocks that I finally got them all together. There we go. Now, this one was a block that was sent to me, and this is a block I made my own during the block swap. These I put together. That one and that one's just 12-inch blocks of the material that made that 12-inch block. So I had them all together, and I wanted everybody to see what they look like. So I had fun. I learned a lot, and it's cool to sit there and put things together and all. So if you see your block, please comment down below. I know whose most people's are and everything. I didn't put the name on the back of everybody's, but that's okay. I have a lot of people's addresses. I needed some thank you notes and all and everything. But this was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed doing it. So, my next step is making the quilt, getting the batting, or getting something to be batting, and then putting a backing on it. And then put a border around it. Am I going to bind it? I don't know. That's the stuff I haven't gotten to yet. So, here we go. The quilt block swap. The blocks have been put together. So, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.